Hi, I'm Brandon. I do investment advisory in Arta, and today I'm going to show you how to create an account on your Arta app. First, head to your browser account. That would be Chrome on the phone that I'm using. Search up Arta Finance. After Google search pops up, click on the first link that you see, and then in the top right corner, click on Sign Up. You should see a few columns that you need to fill out. Fill in your email address. Fill out your first name and then your last name. Click if you are a US person or not. I'm Singaporean, so I'm not a US person. Agree to the Accredited Investor Declaration and opt-in. Read through all the terms and conditions. At the bottom, click Agree and Continue. Agree to the platform agreement, terms and privacy policy. And then at the bottom of the page, click on Sign Up. You should then receive a link to the App Store. Click on that link. That should direct you to your App Store, and then click Download the Arta Finance app. Once it's done downloading, click on Open. It should direct you to open the Arta Finance app, and then enter in the same email that you used to log in. Okay, once you've entered that in, click Proceed. A verification link should be sent over to your email. Click on Open your email app and click on the email that you've just received from Arta Finance and on the link that says Sign in to Arta Finance. You should then be redirected back to the Arta Finance app, email verified, and then enter in the phone number that you would like to use for your two-factor authentication. After you've done that, you should receive a 6-digit verification code sent over to that same number. Fill in the number and you should be all good to go. Okay, as you can see, you are all good. You are logged into your Arta app and you can explore your investments now. Okay, once you reach your home screen, you can now start your verification process. Head over to the icon on the top left-hand side, click on Account Information, and go to the Setup tab. It will then prompt you to verify using SingPass, so click on the blue Get Started button and click on Continue. So for Singaporeans, click Retrieve My Information with SingPass. You will then be redirected to your SingPass app. So as usual, tap on the QR code to log in. Click on Approve for Arta Finance to access your information through SingPass. And you are all set, so you can return to the Arta app. Click Agree for SingPass to retrieve all the information. And your data will get processed through the Arta app. Okay, as you can see, everything has been processed. Your information is all populated in the field there. Then click Continue. You'll then be prompted to put in your source of funds and if you are a politically exposed person or not. So you can see it directs me to upload my proof of accreditation. There are 2 ways that you can be verified as an accredited investor. Number 1 is if your income in the last 12 months was above 300,000 Sing dollars. The second way is if your net financial assets are above $1 million. This is excluding property. You then have to submit things like your bank statements, including your SRS holdings, your brokerage account statements, and any insurance policy documents such as ILPs, endowment plans, retirement plans as well. Do ensure that all these documents have your name on them and are recent. And by recent, we mean within the last 3 months of submission. If you have any queries on these documents, do reach out to our member success team. They'll be happy to help with uploading any of these documents for verification. After you've gone through this entire flow, you need to upload these documents. You can see at the bottom, click the plus button to add your file. You can then upload it from your camera or your gallery. After you've uploaded your bank documents, click on the Continue button at the bottom. It will then direct you to the type of investment account you want to open, either individual or entity. You'll click on individual because I want to open an individual account. You'll then be prompted to review your information. After you are happy with everything here, check this box to agree to sign to the specific form. And then at the bottom, click open your account. Okay, once you've reached this screen, your account is being set up. This will typically take a few business days. Our team will then review your information and reach out via email or push notification after everything is complete.